The Novozopai T13 Pro is an 8.8-inch digital dashboard display designed exclusively for the Tesla Model 3 Highland 2024, offering an upgraded driving experience with its advanced features and seamless integration. This device provides a high-resolution 1280 by 320 touchscreen display, delivering clear visuals for essential driving information such as speed, gear, battery capacity, and more. Powered by a Linux operating system, the T13 Pro ensures fast boot-up times and smooth performance, even in scenarios where the original Tesla screen might encounter issues. It integrates perfectly with the car's original system, reading and sensing data to display critical information and allowing for intuitive control via the steering wheel or touch panel. The device also supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling users to connect their smartphones seamlessly for navigation, audio, and hands-free communication, further enhancing the convenience and functionality of the dashboard. The T13 Pro features a 2.5D full lamination process that eliminates dust intrusion while offering superior transparency for an immersive viewing experience. The dashboard is designed for effortless installation, maintaining the original car's structure while adding value and functionality without causing damage. It supports both left and right-hand drive models, making it versatile for all Tesla Model 3 Highland 2024 users. Additional features include OTA firmware updates, allowing users to enhance their device without visiting a service center. It supports multiple languages, including English and Chinese, and offers flexible temperature unit settings for Celsius or Fahrenheit. The device also provides flexible audio output options, using either the built-in dashboard speaker or sensing with the car's Bluetooth system. The Novozopai T13 Pro is available with or without a front camera. The package includes the dashboard display, connecting wire compatible with AMD Ryzen processors, a prying board for installation, a user manual, and a packaging box. The model with the front camera adds an extra layer of functionality, further improving the overall driving experience. With its sleek design, innovative features, and seamless integration, the Novozopai T13 Pro elevates the driving experience for Tesla Model 3 Highland 2024 users, combining safety, functionality, and style in one compact device.